This is a Fadal VMC 4020, new in 2006. The machine is equipped with a Fanuc 18i M5 controller, which is the original controller on the machine. It was ordered from Fadal with a Fanuc controller. This is a 10,000 RPM machine. Demonstrate the axes in motion, first an X. Now Y. And now Z. I'll demonstrate a tool change. Spindle orients. Carousel rotate. New tool in the machine. I'll now start the spindle. First at 500 RPM. This machine has a gear change at 2500 RPM. So you'll see it change gears. This is 6000 RPM. Today is June 12th, 2019, and that concludes our underpower demonstration of the Fadal VMC 4020. Thank you.